if I ask someone and she or he cannot explain it, you will show us your cute face. Earth has one moon. Is it a fact or opinion? Yes? It's a fact. We only have one moon in the earth. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Blue is the best color. I want to see you other. Have you answered? Really? Yes. Opinion, why?
Because these other people are favorite.
Yeah. Color is correct. Beautiful. Please, black hoodie. Can you please help me read the instruction? Oh,